Today we've got a surprise for Namik Paul. Yes, we got two of his fans on the sets of his show. So let us make Namik meet his fans. We gave Namik's fans a chance to express their heart out in front of Namik.
So he's like this super adorable actor who's always so nice to his fans, always interacting, always answering questions, and always around. So when he's absent, सब पागल हो जाते हैं, सारे के सारे, like all crazy mad people. And he acts so brilliantly.
बस
और इसके और Namik's eyes is like superb. It is so intense, like so intense.
I love Namik, especially his height and the way he plays basketball.
So Namik, what do you have to say for this surprise?
It is amazing to meet fans, obviously. I know them from Twitter. Her, so I already knew from Twitter. And it's great. It's awesome to know that people are liking whatever you're doing. And sometimes they get a bit carried away and say very nice things, which are nice to hear, but they're slightly embarrassing because I don't think they're true yet. And I'm still working towards it. But it's obviously a great feeling to hear it. And I love meeting them. I think they know that I love meeting all of them. So it's always a great feeling to meet them and hear from them. And I always tell them to keep in touch with me because I love hearing what they think about the show.
Along with that, they also asked him some questions.
Okay, we all know that Namik said
don't have to
his
answer.
age is 45 and we know that's a lie. So let's reveal it.
I am 45.
No, he's not 45.
I am. Who said I'm 45?
You.
No, Nikita.
No.
Who told you guys my birthday? Nikita. So whatever she says is true.
No, 45 you said earlier.
No, I didn't say it. The one person who said I'm 45 is Nikita. So
I don't care. So you have to clear the air, no?
मैं बहुत बुढ़ा हूँ. मैं 45 को दिखता नहीं है मेरी शक्ल पे कितना बुढ़ा हूँ मैं. I'm like 46 this year. They even made me like things which say I'm 45. So like this is all the Botox and the injections that work that are fooling you guys. मैं तो वैसे I'm very old. Yeah. और कुछ anything else you guys want to ask? Yeah.
Which is your favorite scene from the show?
My favorite scene. I have a couple of scenes that are my favorite. One was the chasing scene that we did way back, where she takes my phone. The other one, what we shot at mud. Abhi jo hug wala scene tha, that was really nicely done, and it was really surprising because we were all really worried about Nikita standing on that ledge because it was really high, and like they put gaddas and everything so she didn't get hurt. And she was like the most excited person. She's like, "Wahan chadna hai? Okay." And like even before anybody asked her, she like jumped up and got up there and like was standing there. It was really stressful for all of us, but she was really enjoying it. But I think we shot already for 14-15 hours, but we really wanted to do a good job at that scene, so we tried really hard for that. And I hope you guys liked it. So that's another one.
So he's not revealing already.
I'm an open book. मैं सब कुछ वैसे ही गढ़
He is
देता हूँ.
not 45.
मुझे somebody actually told me that don't stop telling all your fans everything about yourself. Stop telling your fans everything about yourself because you tell us everything and then we don't have any scope for like speculation and making up stuff and it's really boring. I thought like you'd like to know more stuff about me, but yeah, so I tell people that much that they're like, please stop telling us stuff. So I'm that honest.
Okay.
कुछ होता ही नहीं हूँ मैं बताने को.
One embarrassing comment or compliment from one female fan. If you remember.
Today somebody was like, I want to hug you and kiss you, and like then somebody was like, hey, ab sharam kar badtameez or something. I don't know, it was on Twitter. I saw
On
it.
Twitter, do you remember the username? I know.
No, the funny thing was like somebody came and was like, sharam kar lo, badtameez or something, and I was like the funny part. But yeah, like,
I mean, I thought you would have more embarrassing ones.
it's not embarrassing. Like, what am I going to get embarrassed about? Honestly, like, it's nice, whatever. Like, it might be a bit over the top, but it's still nice to hear nice things.
So I'm this huge fan of yours, and I just love the friendship that you guys portray. I have a similar friendship back there, so I just love it. And can I have a Shravan wrapped in Namik for myself?
Shravan wrapped in Namik, but what about your friend who's been in love with you for 10 years back home?
He can go to hell.
लड़कों का ये होता है. Shravan wrapped in Namik for yourself. मैं तो मैं ही हूँ. अभी I'm for sumo, so.
Okay, Namik wrapped in Shravan.
हाँ, whatever. I don't know what this question means, but okay, done.
Okay, I'm crazy.
I really love you. That's all I want to say.
Sweet. They're both so sweet. Thank you so much for coming, meeting me again. From Twitter, I know them now, and she came and met me 3 or 4 days back. She's I think bunking school to meet me today.
No,
I'm pretty sure. No, how can it be the first day of school and you are having half days? Teachers are not so nice. I know that.
They didn't teach us anything today.
Because they knew you were coming to meet
Yeah. But great meeting my like the people who follow the show. Don't want to call them fans because that's so like. But they're like my friends because I keep reading their messages on Twitter and slightly embarrassed right now as I always get when I meet people and but always feels really good. So yeah, please come meet us here at SJ. I think it's not very hard to get in. And me and Nikita would love to meet you guys. The whole cast loves to meet people. Obviously, like Pushkar and everybody loves to meet people who follow ek dusre ke vaste. And come see us. I hope we have enough time to meet you. Last time I didn't have time. This time I think I have time right now in the last 4 or 5 minutes that I've just met you. And great meeting them. And thank you, India Forums, for coordinating this and bringing my friends to me.
Ashima with cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Namik Paul. Keep watching India Forums and do subscribe to their YouTube channel.